Here's how you can transform your cupboard full of shopping bags into something much more organized. Here's where we go from this into that. So here's how you fold the bag into a triangle. Start with your regular grocery bag, and you can see there are sort of pleats on the side. And this will go a little easier if you sort of straighten those out so that that pleat is straight. This is easier to do on a flat surface, but it's not required. You can do it while you're holding the bag. So flatten that out, and you can see I'm doing this. I'm right-handed, so I have the handles of the bag over here. Get both of the pleated sections flattened out and straight, and then you've got the whole thing even. Then what you do, bring the corner to the corner so that you've got the whole thing flat like this. Flatten it out. Bring the next one down so that you've made it a quarter thickness with the handles sticking out the side. And then what you do is at the non-handle end, fold to make a corner, increase it, fold to make a corner, increase it, fold to make a triangle, 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 triangle. And at some point you get to a point where you have basically a triangle with some little bits hanging out. And then you take your handles and you tuck them over into that, tuck it in there. And now you have a bag that used to be that big that's now the size of this. And that fits much more easily in your closet or your cupboard or wherever. So, one more time. And there you're good. Pretty simple. That took me about 10 minutes of folding, and I only have to do it once, and now they'll stay organized. I can tell how many I have. Simple, easy. Cheers.